It's Wednesday, May 24th, and I am preparing to get on the road tomorrow. Rhonda is ready. It's almost packed up. There are a couple more things that I need to put on it, namely my bicycle and clothes and some of the interior stuff.
The bike rack consists of two elements: the swing part, which is made by quad and fits into the hitch, and the bike rack itself that fits to the swing part. The quad did not fit quite right, and it was all wobbly and rattly. So I got this thing from Rhino USA from Amazon, which goes over the hitch and tightens the whole thing up. It works pretty well.
The new stuff that are on Rhonda is this Allen bike rack, which I just installed. Also new is the AEV bumper. I got rid of the Rome Overlanding bumper, which was a piece of crap. And so I went with the AEV along with the gas tank that came with it. I changed the light on top, that's the amber light, and then they added a new reverse light as well. Everything else is the same on Rhonda, which is getting ready to go. The water tanks are filled, the propane is filled. I washed her really good, and on top are the recovery gear. So tomorrow morning, I'm going to get on the road. I'm going to go east toward Boston. Family graduation, I got to do my uncle thing. And then go on, get on the road south to North Carolina, along the coastline, and then on the Trans-America Trail. At least that's the plan as of now, unless things change. See you on the road.
Following a message from former Navy SEAL Jocko Willink about how we might all remember to remember on this Memorial Day weekend. Meanwhile, Joey Jones is over there. Thanks to some service members we have on set this morning. Good morning and welcome to Fox and Friends on this Memorial Day weekend, Joey.
It's Memorial Day.